Today we're having chicken wings, buffalo wings, and honey barbecue wings. So let's get started. I did soak these wings in cold salt water for about 30 minutes. After draining the chicken wings, I'll cut these into sections, and there's the wing tip, the flat, and the drummy. I'm going to use a quick dry method for these wings so that they brown more evenly and better. I preheated my oven to 250 degrees and then turned it off. I'm placing the wings on a wire rack on a pan. I'll put those in that oven that is turned off for approximately 30 minutes. And now I'm going to make the sauce while the wings are in the oven drying. And the buffalo sauce is just a half a cup of hot sauce, a quarter cup of butter, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. The barbecue sauce is just my favorite honey barbecue sauce, and I've also mixed 2 tablespoons of butter with that. And I've heated both of these sauces up in the microwave and then mixed them well. I've taken the wings out of the oven and blotted them with paper towels, and as you can see, there's no moisture at all. So I have a skillet with hot oil, and I'm going to place the wings into that. And I will fry all the drummies together first, and then I'll fry all the flats together, and that's just so they both get done at the same time. I'll cover these wings to ensure they cook through well, and I'll turn them once, recover, and when they're done I will uncover and cook for another minute or 2 just to brown and crisp them up. Then I'm going to drain the grease from these wings in a wire strainer over a bowl, or you could use a paper towel lined plate. I'll put half of the drummies and half of the flats in one dish and toss with the sweet honey barbecue sauce. Then I'll put the other half of the drummies and the flats in another dish and toss those with the buffalo sauce. Then everyone has a choice between hot wings and honey barbecue wings. Then plate these up with your favorite dipping sauce, ranch or blue cheese or whatever you prefer. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.